How to pack a fun lunch for a picky eater. Good morning, everybody. Today in Jaclyn's lunch and what my kid eats, I made a ghost shape peanut butter and jelly sandwich because Halloween is Sunday. I put a chocolate yoo-hoo in, a cutie, some Gushers, some goldfish, and a granola bar. I'm not sure what kind of chips to put in for Jaclyn today. I will ask them when they're awake. It's probably going to be a baggie of Doritos. I cut out a ghost shape with a bell for Jaclyn's sandwich today because Halloween is Sunday. I thought it would be fun for her. And I used my cookie cutter for that. Let's pack the lunch. I'm going to put the yoo-hoo in first. And then her sandwich. Homemade Uncrustables in a ghost shape. The cutie. The goldfish. Granola bar. And the Gushers.